Alrighty, hello everybody. Happy Friday the 13th. I guess today should be a bad luck day, but I am going to ask you about wishes for today's warm up. So, in a half page response, as always, I want you to tell me if you had 3 wishes, what would they be? And obviously, you cannot ask for any more wishes. So, why would you ask for these wishes? What do you hope to accomplish with these wishes in this imaginary world, if you will? Um, and then you're going to spend about half a page writing to me about this. Be creative, use your imagination, whatever it may be. The whole point of this is just to get you guys, warmed up. Haha. See what I did there? For today. And so go ahead and pause the video so you can write. And then once you are ready, you may come back and resume today's video. It's going to be pretty short. Alrighty, so welcome back, you guys. Go ahead and put your warm-ups to the side for today. I'll stamp them when I return. And again, as a reminder, please be on your best behavior. If you are on your best behavior, I'm going to have snacks and treats for those of you that were and who got your assignments turned in when you were supposed to. And for any of you that have not been on your best behavior and whose name gets left behind, you will be serving lunch detention and getting a phone call home. So anyways, as a reminder, today you have your extended writing due. So that's your introduction, which is a brief summary of both of the stories that we read in the last 2 weeks, your thesis statement, which I worked through with you guys yesterday as well as Wednesday. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch yesterday's video. And then about 2 body paragraphs backing up your thesis statement, and finally a conclusion that sums up your main points. And so you're picking one of these 2 prompts right here, and you're going to be typing them on a blank page that I posted on Classroom. It's already formatted for you in 12-point font, double spaced, and that should be about 1 to 1.5 pages long. Do not go through and change the font size or change the font at all. I want it to be just like this 12-point font. It's already double spaced for you, so all you have to do is write. And then it's automatically going to skip those lines for you. So if you look, you see it's already skipping lines for you. So all you have to do is just type your response. It should be 1 page and a half, or the least that it can be is a page long. And then once you're done with that, please click Turn In, and you're done for today. For any of you that are looking for extra credit, I did post an extra credit opportunity in the form of a book review from my library. So as you guys can see, I have about 300 or so books in my classroom library, and they are all logged onto my online library here. So if you look on this post, the classroom ID and the password is here. All you have to do is just click sign in. You're going to type in the name of my classroom, which is Lit Class 304. The password is all caps VVHS 304 as well. You're going to click sign in, and then you're just going to click student, and you're going to go. And everybody that I have as a student is logged onto here. So all you have to do is look for yourself. Okay, like let's say my student Brian wants to have a crack at extra credit in the form of reading and a book report. He would click his name, and then he can go to check out and read, and then from here he can just choose whatever book he would like to. Let's say he wants to read Always Running, La Vida Loca. And so he can look right here to see what the story is about, maybe how long it is, and if he doesn't like it, he can, maybe check out this other one. And so once he has a book that he is intrigued in, he can check out the book. Okay, and so all these books are in one of my 2 bookshelves. All you have to do is go find them. I have anything and everything from manga, comic books. I also have, obviously novels. I have poetry books. I do have Tupac's poetry book. All you have to do is just go choose one. And so you're going to tell me what the condition of the book is, and you're going to check it out. And then when Brian is ready to turn it back in or to submit his review, essentially he's going to go back to the library, and actually we're going to go home, and when he goes to return the book, he's going to click return book, and then right here he's going to write his review for me and give me a rating. Okay, only if you do this review, which should be about 2 paragraphs, where you tell me what the book was about and whether you recommend it or not, 2-paragraph review, then I give you 15 points extra credit. And then you submit it and you're all done. Okay, let me see. I'm going to say nothing. And so submit, and that's it. Okay, I will get this, and then I will award extra credit as needed. And again, I have all sorts of books. I have, I did say picture books. I also have, I have poetry books. I have Tupac's poetry book. I have the Harry Potters, which are my favorite. And then what's that other genre that I'm thinking about? Graphic novels. I have a whole bunch of graphic novels. I have a whole bunch of comic books. You can read whatever you want. Do not have to read the whole thing. Just, if you look right here, all you have to do is read at least 30 pages, and then that's enough for me to give you extra credit. Submit it, and that's it. And then this isn't only for today. This is literally for the rest of the quarter up until a week before, which is when I cut off my grades in terms of extra credit and late work. So anyways, please finish up your writing, turn it in, and once you're done with that, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Oh, one more thing. I did post one of these CER posts onto Google Classroom under your writing assignment. Basically what this is if you're having kind of a hard time starting your body paragraph or not knowing how to do claim, evidence, reasoning, this gives you sentence starters. So if you don't know how to start your reasoning or explanation, you can basically start it off as this supports my claim because, and then you would write whatever information you need to write. If you don't know how to introduce a quote, this gives you some sentence starters. And if you don't know how to start your claim, then here are some sentence starters for you as well. So you guys all have a copy of this in Google Classroom, as well as a giant poster that I have close to my stapler. So please use this as a tool. All right, everybody, that's it for me. I will see you guys on Monday. Good luck with your writing. Please turn it in before you leave today. Bye, everyone.